Jack, the breaking weather here this morning. We're going to show you what it looked like in Pensacola at the Pensacola Christian College earlier as they were in the eastern part of the eye wall of a Category 2 hurricane as it made landfall officially over Gulf Shores, Alabama at 5:45 Central Time this morning. It still is holding on to Category 2 status, even though it is interacting with land and has been for a while. This is a storm that we are thankful did not spend more time out over the open water, because you could only imagine what it would do without that friction of the landmass. Now, back here at home, we are removed by several hundred miles, thankfully, from Hurricane Sally for us. We're still dealing with some flooding out on parts of the Lee Islands from the rain of when Sally was a tropical storm. This is a live look through our Rubenstein Law Skycam. Quite a bit of color out there this morning on our sunrise. It's looking pretty nice. You can see those showers and thunderstorms off in the distance, and that's where a majority of those will stay here this morning. But as we go through the afternoon, we are expecting more showers and thunderstorms. We have a fairly wet weather pattern on the way in southwest Florida. Now, the radar this morning, you can see this Category 2 hurricane with the eye right over the Gulf Coast of Alabama. All the rain bands continue to feed in around this system as Panama City, Apalachicola, and eventually Tallahassee have a threat of tornadoes throughout the day. There is one tornado warning there just east of Panama City. Throughout the morning, it has been Pensacola on the eastern part of this eye wall that has been getting hammered by the onshore flow and the heavy rain bands. This is piling the water up right here along the coastline, so they are seeing the highest storm surge from Miramar Beach all the way back past Perdido Key. Now, in the eye of the hurricane itself, we've been watching buoys offshore reporting 0-mile-per-hour winds off of Gulf Shores, and that's because the calm of the storm. And then for Mobile Bay down towards Dolphin Island, you can see the wind is offshore. There has actually been a drop in water levels there that will quickly change as the eye pulls away, and that water will return there to areas of Mobile Bay. So with the latest here, we'll continue to track areas along the Florida Panhandle. The state line is right in through there with Alabama. Orange Beach in the eye of the hurricane as well. And you can see anywhere from Gulf Breeze up towards Ferry Pass and Milton. They are still in the strongest part of this hurricane. It is going to be a long morning for our friends and family up in the Panhandle. As far as our local radar, we are tracking just a couple of showers and storms offshore. We'll put this into motion over the past hour, and you can see most of them over the open Gulf waters. The showers and thunderstorms today will start to move in out of the south, and that will happen as the winds around Hurricane Sally begin to increase just a little bit, turning our winds south and eventually southwest. So with a southerly wind here this morning, our temperatures are a little bit warmer, especially along the coast. We've got 80 in Marco Island, 79 in Cape Coral, and I want to show you what the predictor model is showing around Hurricane Sally as it makes landfall, because it's really key in our forecast. We always see these moisture tails, the feeder bands that wrap into hurricanes and tropical storms. As this storm moves through Georgia in the days ahead, our winds turn southwest. That moisture tail extends from Tampa back into the Gulf of Mexico. That's going to spell a wet couple of days here with showers and thunderstorms streaming in from the Gulf waters. It could mean some morning showers and thunderstorms as we head later on in the week, and then a little larger scale showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon. Now, just to give you an idea on that latest information, the National Hurricane Center gives us these updates every hour, and you can see still a Category 2 storm. Also out in the Atlantic, you've heard us talk the last couple of days about Paulette, Teddy, and Vicky. All of these storms continue to move safely over the open water. It's Teddy that will be an issue for Bermuda in the days ahead. It is forecast to become a Category 4 storm. If you're thinking about beaching or boating today, this is your Ingman Marine forecast. It's going to be stormy at times, that wind turning south at about 15 knots. As far as what it looks like here in your 7-day forecast, get those umbrellas ready. We're not going to be able to shake this wet weather pattern for a while. There is a weak cold front in the forecast. It's going to get close to us here early next week. Still a lot of question marks on exactly how much impact it'll have on our temperatures.